Hello guys, welcome to BioTube Academy. Imagine a patient urgently needs a blood transfusion after a serious accident. A donor is ready to help, but before the blood can be given, doctors must answer one very important question. Is the donor's blood compatible with the patient's blood? If the wrong blood type is transfused, it can trigger a dangerous immune reaction that may become life-threatening. This is why understanding blood groups is so important. But what exactly are blood groups? Why do different blood types exist? And how do doctors know which blood can be safely given to a patient? Let's find out. Segment 1. What are blood groups? Blood groups are classifications of blood based on specific markers found on the surface of red blood cells. These markers are called antigens. You can think of antigens as tiny identification tags attached to the surface of red blood cells. Different people have different antigens, and these differences determine a person's blood group. The two most important blood group systems are the ABO Blood Group System and the RH Blood Group System. Together, these systems help doctors determine blood compatibility during transfusions and medical treatments. Segment 2. The ABO Blood Group System. The ABO system divides human blood into four main groups: A, B, AB, and O. People with blood group A have A antigens on their red blood cells. People with blood group B have B antigens. People with blood group AB have both A and B antigens. People with blood group O have neither A nor B antigens. The immune system can recognize these antigens. If a person receives blood containing unfamiliar antigens, the immune system may attack the donated blood cells. This reaction can be extremely dangerous. That is why blood group matching is essential before a blood transfusion is performed. Segment 3. Understanding antibodies. To understand blood compatibility, we also need to talk about antibodies. Antibodies are protective proteins found in the blood plasma. Their job is to recognize and attack foreign substances. A person with blood group A naturally has antibodies against blood group B. A person with blood group B has antibodies against blood group A. A person with blood group O has antibodies against both A and B. A person with blood group AB has neither anti-A nor anti-B antibodies. This relationship between antigens and antibodies determines which blood types can be safely mixed. Segment 4. Universal donor and universal recipient. You may have heard the terms universal donor and universal recipient. Blood group. O negative is often called the universal donor. This is because its red blood cells do not carry A antigens, B antigens, or the RH factor. As a result, O negative blood can usually be given to people of any blood type during emergencies. On the other hand, AB positive is known as the universal recipient. People with AB positive blood can generally receive blood from all major blood groups because their immune system is less likely to react against the donated blood. These concepts are especially important during emergency transfusions when there may not be enough time for extensive testing. Segment 5. The RH factor. In addition to the ABO system, another important classification is the RH factor. The RH factor is a specific protein that may or may not be present on the surface of red blood cells. If a person has this protein, their blood type is RH positive. If they do not have it, their blood type is RH negative. This is why blood groups are written as A positive, A negative, B positive, O negative, and so on. The RH factor is especially important during pregnancy and blood transfusions. An RH incompatibility can sometimes cause complications if not managed properly. Segment 6. Why blood groups matter. Blood groups play a vital role in modern medicine. Before any blood transfusion, doctors carefully test the donor's and recipient's blood to ensure compatibility. Blood typing is also important during surgeries, organ transplants, pregnancy care, and emergency medical treatment. Without proper blood matching, serious immune reactions can occur. This is why hospitals always verify blood types before transfusions. Segment 7. Conclusion. Let's quickly summarize. Blood groups are determined by antigens present on the surface of red blood cells. The ABO system divides blood into AB, AB, and O groups. The RH system further classifies blood as positive or negative. These classifications help doctors safely perform blood transfusions and avoid dangerous immune reactions. Understanding blood groups is one of the most important foundations of modern medicine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BioTube Academy, and turn on notifications for more fascinating biology and medical science content. See you in the next video.